In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add 60-second story on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. And then all we have to do is just start creating a story. So I can tap right here at that little plus sign. Then we need to choose a video. I can just select a video that is longer than 60 seconds. If I tap on it, I need to choose the exact part of this video which I would like to use in my story. So I have to trim this video up to 60 seconds. It is selected by default, so no additional actions is required of you to upload 60-second story on Instagram. We can just select video, trim it, and tap at done. That's how you can easily upload 60-second story on Instagram.